I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold.
Man. Ooh-wee. Snowfall joints just hit different, man. Them deep sunburst cuts surrounded by diamond dust. Just hit different, y'all. Anybody ever try to tell you that silver grills don't look good? They out they dang mind, man. Thing about silver, it's a little bit softer too, so very good fitting. Diamond dust looks good on gold too. Now y'all, just got this one finished for my dude. Got me a new vacuum system, about to get rid of all this gold, man. It's a little bit too much getting on my bench, man. So, you know, grinding away, man. Grinding away, y'all. We grinding. Thank you, everybody that supports the channel, the Instagram, the Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, all that good stuff. IGTV, IG, the story, man. The real TV we got going on now, man. I appreciate everybody that been rocking with us and supporting this. A beautiful thing and a blessing. You can get you one of these on sale right now. Get you an 8-piece like this for about $300, man. Craziness, y'all. I got a special going right now, guys. You can get you a 6-piece starting at $350, y'all. That's 350 buckaroos. If you want to throw these cuts in there like that, it's gonna run you a little bit more, probably more closer to $470, because we got to throw the diamond dust and the sunburst on there. But I'll throw you a deal at $450. That's for a 6-piece gold. 6-piece gold diamond dust looks like that right there, man. You see it. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Thank you, everybody, once again for supporting us. We are now cranking these things out in 2 weeks, y'all. 2 weeks, tops. So anybody want to see how to go grills, come see us. Now is the time, man. We have got the staff. We have got the know-how. We have got the wherewithal to make it happen. Capping. I should say no capping. But yeah, thank you all, man, for tapping in. Have a blessed week. You guys hit your boy up. Go see Fred. Tell everybody, go see Fred. Thank you, my clients that came up here about 5 deep today, man. All looking to get grills, man. So the word is spreading. And I appreciate y'all for just being positive throughout this whole process. You guys seen the ups and the downs with Seattle Gold Grills. Holla at your boy, man. Appreciate y'all. 100.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold Grilz, tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole